Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Subaru Outback, stock reference number 5602. This shape runs from the 5th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2012. It has an EE20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual all-wheel drive transmission. EE20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right front door has 4 small dents. Right guard has 1 small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.